The definite article the is the most frequent word in English. So we must understand the correct uses of the properly. So go through the video again and again for understanding the proper uses of the. We know the with all those things which is only one in the world. जो चीज़ दुनिया में एक है we will use the with that, like the sun, the moon, the president of India, who is the president of Italy, because all these things are only one in the world. He is the smartest girl in the class. It's the oldest building in the town. So because there is only one, all these things we will use the with that. We also use the for pointing out some specific thing, like this is the book I was looking for. The boy who is standing is my friend. So when we are pointing out and referring to any specific thing, we will use the. We use the when we refer to a system or service. जब हम system और service की बात करते हैं तभी भी हम the लगाते हैं. Like how long does it take on a flight? I heard it on the podcast. I heard it on the radio. You should tell the police. So we will use when we talk about system. We will not use the with the names like the Shakespeare, the Monica, the Agra. So we will not use the with the names. We also use the with countries whose names includes words like kingdom, states, republic, like the United States, the Republic of China. So we will use all these the with all these words. Countries which have plural nouns like the Netherlands, the Philippines, we will use the with all those countries which has plural nouns. We will use the with geographical features such as mountain ranges, group of islands, rivers, seas, oceans and canals like the Himalayas, the Canaries, the Atlantic, etc. We will also use the with the name of newspapers like the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Hindu. We will use the with the name of organizations like the United Nations. We will also use the with the name of hotels and pubs and restaurants like the Moria, the Kings, but we will not use the if the name of the hotel or restaurant is the name of the owner. We can also use the with the definite article with adjectives like the rich, the poor, the elderly people. So whenever we are talking about a group of people, we will use the unemployed also. Use the when you assume there is just one of something in that place, even if it has not been mentioned before, like we went on a walk in the forest yesterday. Where is the bathroom?